details. Well done. Good effort.
Okay guys, my name is Trifon. Basically the whole day is just about introducing everybody to the facility. A lot of you guys know about the adventure training that we do here. We've now got the Enduro cross track, which is also basically a fun Enduro track all built down there, purely for training purposes. And then we've got Mandy, and who's with you, man? The team there. Okay, so after this we're all going to just split up, and then we're going to go to our training sections and then have a good time, and you know, hopefully sweat a little bit today. At least it's a little bit cooler than yesterday.
To the left hand side, okay, your handlebars, your shoulders and your elbows.
I'm Gert from Basefit Estate, ride a 1090, and I think I had a good workout today. I think it's almost as hard as farming.
Hi there, it's Gavin Bacon. I've got a Triumph, Tiger Triumph 800 XCX. I've only had the bike now for about 6 weeks. 800, so I'm getting used to the power, immense power. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Did the adventure ride for the first time. Well, highly recommended. I honestly thought, you know, I've been riding since I'm 16, I'm now 49 years old. I thought to myself, you know, what can they really teach me? But oh my gosh, I learned a hell of a lot. And towards the end, I pretty much, I wouldn't say I aced it, but I got down to the nitty gritty of it and thoroughly enjoyed it. Very good, highly recommended.
Hi, today we're having such a good time. We've got RBS, Yamaha, we've got Motorsport and Basefit. 3 teams competing on purpose-built obstacles that we've done out here for the Enduro scene. Today it's just to have fun, to get the guys to communicate with each other, work together and develop their skills, and also just to have as much fun as possible. So these are the one type of event that we're going to be running from the Basefit at Tala, where the guys can come out, we can have fun, corporates can come out, especially in the Enduro industry. We can also teach them about nutrition and mental skills and mental toughness for riding, and combined with some skill training on the iRide track at the bottom. And at the end of the day, when they're really fatigued mentally and physically, we will do a lot of mental strategy work, teaching them how to concentrate and focus while they are tired. So in terms of race prep, we're able to time collapse all the elements that you need to do to finish your race, and have fun doing it.
All right, not too bad.
Hey?
Oh, it's good. Good.
And you enjoying the day?
Enjoying the day. A lot of good teamwork going on. Getting to see each other from a different angle, different perspective. Oh, all good, eh?
So what did you find the toughest?
These tires. I think they just need a bit of technique. Learning technique. Those mushrooms there that you jump on, quite difficult. Otherwise, not too bad, eh?
That was just for you, Mom.
From the front, wrestling.
So can you tell us what went wrong there?
Riding a 4-stroke, it stalled. I put the front wheel in the middle of the tyre and went over the bars. I ran out of talent so quickly.
That was awesome, brother.
My name's Fez. I ride a Yamaha WR250F, and I think this is one of the most amazing places to come and ride and learn and test yourself and your fitness and your skills. If you own a bike and you haven't come here, you haven't ridden. Ride it like you stole it.
Right, and go for it.
Hello, I'm Farrell, and yeah, it's been a nice time down here. We're riding down there by all the obstacle courses and stuff. I've got a Yamaha 85. Yeah, I've enjoyed it a lot. I've been ramping some ramps down there, and it's been really fun.
How's it? I'm Mike, and yeah, we've been riding around the bottom there, having a bit of a jaw. I'm on a KTM 300 2-stroke, and it's been great fun, eh? Very, very good fitness actually, which is what I need. So we'll definitely be back with the whole crew of guys. Come and ride the obstacle course and try and better our times.